This is how your Branch Upfit Kit will ship to you. Let's remove the plastic wrap and get this all unpacked. First, we'll remove the SCET from the bundle. SCET is short for Self-Contained Evacuation Tool. The SCET can run on 12 or 24 volt DC. It features an 18 volt motor that pulls less than 40 amps. To pump 3 to 5 gallons per minute with hot thin oil. Weighing in around 5 pounds, the SCET has a 3-position switch for on, off, and momentary operation. It comes with a power harness to hook up to a machine's battery, all in a convenient carrying case. The first thing we want to do when we open our SCET tool box is verify that everything that is supposed to be in the box is in there. Let's go ahead and take everything out and match it up with the bill of materials included. If you are missing any parts or have any questions while using your SCET tool, please call us at 800-255-2250, or you can email us at urisupport@rpmindustries.com. The SCET tool comes in a convenient carrying case. Inside the case, you'll find the pump and power harness. To use the SCET, connect the quick disconnect, the suction side, to the QuickFit valve. Then, connect the discharge hose, which is the pressure side, to the used oil container. After that, insert the harness. Connect the harness to a battery. The 3-position switch is off, on, and momentary. The pump noise will change once the evacuation is complete. Next, we have our shop/truck conversion kits. This is a collection of fittings, quick disconnects, and accessories that make it simple to upfit your shops and trucks to use the QuickFit systems installed on your machine. The conversion kits include a filter purge tool to enable purging of the oil filters to prevent spills and burns, adapters to upfit your used oil system reels to connect directly to the QuickFit system and easily use it for conventional services, adapters for your clean oil meters to allow you to quickly convert from conventional use to QuickFit system refills. There are a couple of options included, and we'll show you what those setups look like. The first thing we want to do when we open our shop/conversion kit is verify that everything that is supposed to be in the box is in there. Let's go ahead and take everything out and match it up with the bill of materials included. If you are missing any parts or have any questions while upfitting your shop or truck, please call us at 800-255-2250 or email us at urisupport@rpmindustries.com. First up is our purge tool. You'll want to install a male 1/4-inch NPT airline adapter into the open port on the purge tool. Next, we'll assemble the cam lock fittings to adapt to the quick disconnect for our used oil systems. Lastly, we'll set up our clean oil meter. We'll show you a couple of different setups you can choose from. The first setup gives you a little more flexibility with a whip hose and a set of quick disconnects to make it a snap to go from QuickFit to conventional services. The second option takes your existing setup and simply adds the quick disconnects for quick and easy transition to the QuickFit system. Lastly, we have our service cart, which is used to purge oil filters, evacuate engine sumps, and safely transport used oil to final containment. The service cart's all aluminum construction keeps the weight low and the capacity high. It has a dry weight of 120 pounds. Pneumatic tires and casters provide a smooth ride over all terrains. The service cart has a 25-gallon tank which includes a vent cap and sight glass. It's powered by an air-operated double diaphragm pump capable of delivering up to 16 gallons per minute, a 4-way valve that allows you to easily drain the tank into the final containment, an air filter/regulator cleans the air as it regulates pressure. The filter includes an automatic drain for use with airlines that have high water content. A filter purge tool is integrated into the cart to direct air into the filters of a machine to lower the oil level before removal to prevent spills and burns. Once the filters are removed, any remaining oil can be drained using the filter drain bin on the cart. Tool holders for the hose and purge tool are provided with the cart. More tool holders can be added to the rail to fit your workflow. The tool holder ships in a box separate from the rail along with the end cap. They need to be installed before using the cart. Simply slide them onto the rail and then install the end cap. Insert the evac hose into the large tool holder, the holder with the black inserts. The hose should be held securely by the tool holder. Insert the purge tool into the small tool holder, the holder with the red/yellow inserts. Install an air quick disconnect that matches your shop air system connectors into the air filter regulator, 3/8 pipe port, and you're ready to use your cart for the first time. Set the pressure regulator to about 20 psi. Install the nozzle into the quick disconnect of the evac hose by removing the nozzle from the cap securing it to the hose and then insert it into the quick disconnect. Remove the evac hose from the tool holder. Put the nozzle into a bucket with about 2 quarts of oil in it. Be sure the nozzle is completely covered by the oil so no air can be sucked up. Switch the 4-way valve on the pump to the fill tank position. Run the pump by turning the control valve to the pump position. Once the oil has been removed from the bucket, the pump is primed. Turn the pump off by returning the control valve to the off position. Adjust the pressure regulator to 80 psi for typical operation. You are now ready to perform a QuickFit service. Turn the control valve to the purge position. Remove the purge tool from the tool holder and connect it to the QuickFit valve on a machine. Push down on the red handle to get the air flowing to filter. 5 to 10 seconds per filter should be sufficient to lower the oil level in the filters to prevent spills and burns. Disconnect the purge tool from the QuickFit valve and return it to the tool holder on the cart. Turn the control valve to the off position. Remove the evac hose from the tool holder and connect it to the QuickFit valve on the machine. Turn the control valve to the pump position. The pump should run and remove the oil from the sump on the machine and put it into the tank on the cart. While the evacuation process is happening, remove the oil filters and place them in the filter drain bin to drain into the tank. You'll know when the evac cycle is complete because the pump will start running very fast. Turn the control valve to the off position to stop the pump. Remove the evac hose from the QuickFit valve and return it to the holder on the cart. When the tank is full, you can easily pump it out by switching the 4-way valve on the pump to the empty tank position. Be sure the evac hose is connected securely to the final containment before turning the control valve to pump. Once again, you'll know when the evac cycle is complete because the pump will start running very fast. Turn the control valve to the off position to stop the pump. Be sure to remove the nozzle if you used it to drain the tank. Move the 4-way valve on the pump back to fill tank. You are ready for the next service.